In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit photos in Google Photos. If you want a quick and simple way to improve your pictures without using advanced editing software, Google Photos is a great option. It gives you easy tools to enhance an image, make small corrections, and add finishing touches, all from your computer. To get started, open Google Photos on your laptop or desktop. Once you're there, you'll be able to browse your photo library and choose the image you want to work on. Using a larger screen can make editing easier, especially when you're adjusting details like lighting, cropping, or filters. Next, select the image you want to edit. Just click on the photo so it opens in a larger view. This helps you see the picture more clearly before making any changes. It's always a good idea to take a quick look at the full image first, so you know what you want to improve, whether that's brightness, framing, or overall style. After opening the photo, go to the top of the screen and click the Edit option. This will open the editing tools for that image. Once you enter the edit section, you'll see several options that let you refine the photo in different ways. Inside the editor, you can use AI tools to enhance the image automatically. This is useful if you want a fast improvement without manually adjusting each setting. Automatic enhancement can help balance color, lighting, and overall appearance in just a click, which is especially helpful if the photo looks a little dull or uneven. You can also crop the image. Cropping is helpful when you want to improve composition, remove distractions around the edges, or focus more closely on your subject. Try to keep the important part of the image centered and clean so the final result looks intentional. Another option is to adjust the image manually. This is where you can fine-tune the look of the photo to better match what you want. Adjustments are useful when a picture is too dark, too bright, or needs a little more clarity. You'll also find filters which can quickly change the mood or style of your photo. Filters are great for creating a consistent look, but it's usually best to use them lightly so the image still looks natural. Finally, you can use markup if you want to draw, highlight, or add simple annotations to the picture. This can be helpful for personal notes, instructions, or pointing out details in an image. And that's how to edit photos in Google Photos. Once you've explored these tools, you'll be able to make your pictures look cleaner, sharper, and more polished with just a few clicks.